Luggage scooter, 20 foldable multifunctional scooter suitcase with handbag wheels for airport travel business school 20 to 35L USA stock, Bule. A premium material. The body structure uses aluminum alloy materials, lightweight, impact resistance. The suitcase is made of PC material, waterproof. A Fantanstic Wheel. The wheels are made of Bule material, which is resistant to wear, strong grip and non-slip.Foldable, easy to carry after folding. A large capacity 20 inches suitcase. At the same time you can place your items separately and orderly. You can hold more items while you travel. Designed for travel, business and all occasions where a suitcase or luggage is used. A roll system. Rock and rolled steering, stable steering system for safety. Sturdy but squishy, soft, bouncy surface to resist impact. A multifunction use designed for travel, school, business and all the situation that use suitcase or bag, especially in school and airport. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.